Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, center armrest. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.